Welcome to the EndoVac parts and mounting video. EndoVac is an irrigation system that creates internal negative pressure inside the root canal that allow to create a current of fresh irrigant in a continuous and safe way in the coronal, middle, and apical part of the root canal system. The different components of the system, we are going to see them and to see how we're going to assemble them. This is the macro cannula. And this is the adapter of the microcannula that's going to create this negative pressure in the apical area. The microcannula that we see here comes in 3 different lengths with already a rubber stop inserted that we are going to adapt according to your working lengths. It contains 3 small holes, laser holes. It's flexible, so it will go with the curvature of your canal. We need to adapt it to the exact working length of the root canal. We start with the multi-port adapter that is going to be connected to your surgical suction. First, as we can see here, it's written in blue, and we adapt the blue plastic from these first tubes. And this part is connected to the internal vacuum. The second part of this tube, plastic tube, we connect it to the main delivery system of the big syringe. We load the main syringes with sodium hypochlorite. And we adapt them to the master delivery system tip. That contains a beveled needle that will deliver the irrigants inside the access cavity and then to be taken out from this plastic suction that is connected to the suction device in order to create this current of fresh irrigants inside the access cavity. The other main syringes can be loaded with sodium hypochlorite if you like, or with distilled water depending on your irrigation protocol. The smaller syringes can be loaded with chlorhexidine, and the other one can be loaded with organic acid like EDTA, 17%. This is the holder of the macrocannula that is going to be used in the middle part of the root canal system. We adapt the macrocannula to the holder, tight and firm. And we adapt the microcannula to the holder. This is the second white tubing. And as you can see here, I adapt the first one that is connected to the suction. And the second one is just a holder for the second end of the plastic tube. And the main unit can look like this once we adapt it. We connect it to the main suction or to the surgical suction. We can adapt it to the main tube by itself or through an adapter, and it can be fit on your dental unit. And now the system is ready for the irrigation. This is the master delivery unit. This is the macrocannula, and we take the second part of the white tubing and we connect it to the handle. because the first part is the only part that is connected to the suction device. And the same one can be connected to the microcannula tubing or handle that is going to create the negative pressure at exactly your working length and create this current of fresh irrigant inside the root canal system. We adjust it to the exact working length and it's ready for use.